Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner on this vehicle with hooks and tie downs. We got mud flaps on the rear, Tremor rims, which adds a sleek look to the vehicle. We got the graphics as well, blind spot detection, side view camera, and move to the front. We got the graphics on the hood, recovery hooks, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see the vehicle does see up to a 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. Got some nice speckled accents with the yellow stitching. Plenty of door space in the back with the yellowing. You'll see the yellowing all along this vehicle with USB-Cs, 120 volt, little hook to hold things down. You got cup holders and arm space with your storage underneath, which you do get quite a bit, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We got the Tremor logo stitched into the leathering, which adds a sleeker look. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, B&O sound system, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 270 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, yellow stitching, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, cruise control with paddle shifters, digital speedometer with my view, trip economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, 4-wheel drive lock, rear locking diff, trail control, auto stop start, traction, tons of storage. With your storage in your center console, you got your engine start stop, 12 volt USB, USB-C, and a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our Pro Trailer Assist, auto hold, max temp, hazards, and 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, volume, storage below, on the dash, with a lovely powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we do get navigation, audio and phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate. We do get navigation on this vehicle as well, search, recent, saved, have your audio open at the same time, music, such as your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, settings, such as navigation, clock, all that jazz, features of the vehicle, towing, owner's manual, and all your apps or any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA16870, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.